What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel for another market update. If I sound a little different today, it's because I'm feeling a little under the weather, but that should sort itself out with over the next few days, and everything will be back to normal. All right, so let's just quickly run through the TA here. We're gonna make this one very quick, and yeah. All right, so starting with QQ, you are rallying off of declining volume. It's known as a stalemate volume pattern. And it just shows you when the volume is not supporting the move, and that is currently what is taking place as we speak. Coming over to Mr. VIX, you have your oscillators over in the oversold territory over here. All right, nothing really to say over here. We can see VIX stay down here for quite some time. So it really is just going to be a matter of figuring out when momentum is slowing here on SPY. And we do have signs showing that that is the case as we speak. All right, so oscillators on SPY are beginning to hinge down. But again, you're still riding high in the sky here. But keep in mind, guys, now you're in deep overbought territory here. I look at like you're deeply overbought, deeply oversold when you're at 200 or minus 200 on CCI. That's typically when you are going to get in. Yeah, see, you get towards these extremes and you have that pullback. And we're gonna have to see what happens. I mean, you can stay up here for a while, but in reality, again, your momentum is slowing, and I would expect you to now start trying to make your higher low, or your higher low. Because of SPY, we have made our higher high, and on QQQ as of today, we tested our previous minor high over here. So we're going to have to wait to see what happens with this. But now, after that happened, now I am expecting us to I don't know how far you're gonna fall down. But this is just literally what happens. Nothing goes up in a straight line, nothing comes down in a straight line, things just zigzag. They have to happen. You have to continuously make higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And then you test here. Oh, it's not the higher high. Oh, and now you break your higher low. Now you got a lower low. Oh, trend change. Don't come back up here. Oh, boom. New trend is in there. All right. So what I'm watching for now is, or what I'm expecting at least, is we are going to end up stalling out. We're going to fizzle out here, and we are going to end up coming down. And we don't have to come down and test these lows, but either way, before we continue advancing, we are likely to have our pullback. We're reaching this resistance right as our oscillators are reaching the overbought region there. At the same time, clearly VIX needs to cool off to the upside. So yeah, that is something I am looking for. Now let's go right over to the smaller time frame to check out what's happening there. I told you guys I was looking for an upward move to end up finishing this bullish divergence. All right, and it does look like, or not bullish divergence, bearish divergence here. It does look like we did end up completing our bearish divergence here. We have the smaller one. We also have this bigger one. So you got this big guy right there, and then you also have this very little one. But dang, that is just a big candle. That is a big candle over there on SPY. A big 4-hour candle right there. Coming over to QQ, it's the same exact picture. You got this now a triple, quadruple bearish divergence going on in the 4-hour time frame. Right as you reach this resistance. Now, I did think you were going to end up cooling off on QQ's gap fill, but no, you did not end up doing that. You ended up having this super big rally day here today. But yeah, guys, I'm just sitting on my hands now. I'm gonna be waiting for the next solid trade setup, honestly. I have recently just traded too much, and I'm looking at things from in a different light. But yeah, you have your hourly bearish divergence here as well, and then coming over to VIX, I don't think you have anything setting up over here. 4-hour time frame, do we have anything? No, we do not. Holy crap, VIX got the crap beat out of it. And that's something to note too, guys. SPY is rallying, but now we're seeing VIX not stay up while it's doing that. So people are buying the calls and they're selling the puts. So that is also something to note. But keep in mind, yesterday we do have the trigger of an 85% probability that we will have a down day on SPY within the next 2 trading sessions. Today was trading session 1, so tomorrow we have that chance to have a down day, and after that, then it's nullified. Nothing matters. But honestly, we're gonna have to see. All right, this thing, it doesn't have to come to an end just yet. It does not. It would be pretty much perfect structural timing if we did end up stalling out right here, because we are right here at resistance. But either way, all we have to do is we either had to test here or break here, and then we have to come here and get the higher high, and there you go. You have your trend change. So I mean, now that we have this out of the way, yeah, I am expecting we are going to be falling starting pretty soon. And yeah. I think that's pretty much it. I'm sorry guys, my mind is a little wacky today. So if I am repeating myself, that is, I do have ADHD, that is also there, but I'm definitely not feeling the best today. But yeah, I do think we pretty much went over everything. We don't really have to touch up on anything else. What is Mr. Bitcoin doing? Is that pretty much it? Holy crap, Bitcoin is going crazy. It's going parabolic, guys. Now that is something cool. That is something real cool. Let me put that back on there. The one day I'd take Bitcoin off of our table of contents, guys. The reason this is cool is because Bitcoin, as you see, has not been doing anything. And it's literally been doing nothing. But what I do want to point out is that you are pushing so heavily up there. You're like not really moving. Like your oscillators move so heavily on this move, but you're like barely making your run. Yeah, guys, I don't think a bottom is here on Bitcoin. We still don't get one of these massive volume spikes to mark bottom. And typically that's exactly what you want to be looking for to mark a Bitcoin bottom. So yeah, I mean, whatever happens here, you're probably not going to end up running to this 25K price target. You most likely are going to see it fail relatively quick. We're probably going to see it fall off. All right, so yeah, I mean, yeah, guys, I'm going to go. I will catch you guys. That being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.